right. Let's do this.
Hands up. Hands up. In my song. Fly away.
All right.
Now we ascend.
Here we go.
Now we ascend. You got a friend in me.
Alrighty. Pretty good.
Yeah.
Classic.
Yeah, that's a popular thing to do. Fling them right there. Fling them if you got them, guys. Save like $5. I was like, wow, the belt was like, drop my legs. It's good swimming.
Welcome back, Thunderbolt riders. We hope you enjoy your ride. When the train comes to a final stop, you can the public safety bar.
Hey, well, thanks for riding with me.
Yeah, thanks for riding with me, man. Appreciate it.
We'll see you back here in a minute 48. We're clear for dispatch. Enjoy your ride.
The wheels on the bus go round and round.
Right, here we go. Here we go! All right.
You're all done.
We survived.
Oh, my head.
Aren't you glad you grew a few inches, Reed?
Welcome back, Thunderbolt riders. When the train comes to a final stop, please lift up on your safety bar. Exit to your left, all the way down the exit ramp, and enjoy the rest of your day here at Kennywood.
All right, here we go. All right, thanks a lot, guys. Really appreciate it. Have a good day.
That does it for today's adventure. If you're new here, please subscribe. Take it one step further and ring that notification bell. And if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a big old like and a thumbs up. It lets me know you care. I'll see you in the next video. Ride on.